everyone, hope you guys are having a great Friday. Today I'm going to be visiting a new property in Miami and I want to bring you with me. This property is ideal for an investor or for someone who wants to have a second home in Miami but still wants to make money out of the property. Why is ideal for investors? Because it's going to allow short-term rentals. It's also turnkey property, meaning that it's finished and furnished, so you don't have to worry about hiring a designer or anything like that. It'll be ready for you to use or to start renting it out. Building. It sits in a great location in downtown Miami. If you know the area, we are right in front of Bayside, FTX Arena. And I can share some more information as far as everything that's going to be happening in this area in the next 4 to 5 years. Is going to be totally different. Bayside is going to be totally different. They're bringing high-end restaurants. There's a lot of investment going on in this area, and that's why I like this building so much, because it's definitely in a location that has appreciation potential. I'll show you here, building. I'm going to take you inside now. So this will be the lobby. Look how beautiful and open it is. You're gonna have a Jaguar Sun restaurant here. You have the lobby for the residents, 8 elevators, and then you have a different section for the guests who need to check in and check out. All of this is part of the same lobby. How nice it is. We got all the details. I'll give you all information as far as the rental program, what it includes. So this is the pool area of the building. It's beautiful because you have the water view. You're gonna have a bar here for the residents, whoever is staying as your guest. Upstairs you have a jacuzzi and spa. You have a barbecue area here to your right. And all of this open space to hang out. And look how beautiful the view. Look how you can see the Port of Miami from here. It's just amazing. So this is the gym area. It's very spacious. So you have 2-story gym. The first floor you have all the weights. Look at all the light. And then upstairs you're gonna have the cardio area. So this will be a 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, and this is facing east. It's a very nice layout. To your right, you're gonna have a full bedroom, bathroom. Bathroom, very spacious with shower. And this is a turnkey property. It's ready to use or to rent. This will be the view from this bedroom. This dining area here, living room. Look at the view. It's amazing east view. Okay, so this is the studio facing south. And as you can see, they come fully finished and furnished. So this is exactly how you will get the unit. This will be the bathroom with shower, your kitchen with all the appliances. Notice that it's a full kitchen. So here 2 people can stay and 2 people can stay there. So for investors, know that you can have 4 people staying here, and this is the best price in the building. Now I want you to see the view from here. It's all the water view. Any questions, send me a direct message or schedule a call with me.